coming, it's too easy for me. There's no point being with you, it's a shame you're not brave. I realize I want word, let's enjoy it one last time. Let's experience together, let's make love one more time, come on.